In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Teams email notifications. We've all been there, drowning in a sea of email notifications from Microsoft Teams. It can be quite the challenge to stay focused on your work when your inbox is constantly being flooded. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of turning those pesky email notifications off. This way you can reclaim your inbox and your peace of mind. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you're going to see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that, then use your account credentials to log in. It's an important first step because without access to your account, you can't adjust any settings. Alright, after you've successfully logged in, look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu located on the navigation bar. This little icon is your gateway to customizing how you use Teams. Upon clicking the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you want to select Settings. This is where all the magic happens. Well, the kind that controls your Teams experience, that is. Once you're in the Settings menu, you're going to search for the Notifications and Activity section. It might seem like there's a lot going on in there, but don't let it overwhelm you. We're focusing only on email notifications today. Finally, you'll see an option to turn off notifications. This is your goal. By turning off this setting, you essentially tell Microsoft Teams that you no longer wish to receive email notifications. It's a simple action, but one that will significantly reduce the clutter in your inbox. Remember, taking this step means you won't be alerted via email about activities in Teams. Make sure this is what you want before proceeding. Some people find a middle ground by only turning off certain types of notifications, so give it a thought about what works best for you. And there you have it. You now know how to stop Microsoft Teams from sending email notifications. No more unnecessary interruptions. With this newfound knowledge, go forth and enjoy a more peaceful, controlled digital environment. Your inbox and your future self will thank you.